Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time to study. So now we are today in the chapter Introduction of Economics. Question next, importance of microeconomics. So what is microeconomic? Microeconomic is a microscopic study of the economy. So microeconomic is the determination of individualism in nature. So importance of microeconomics can be studied with the help of following points. Number 1, price determination. Microeconomics is helpful in determining the different price of different commodities, such as it depends upon the theory of product pricing and theory of factor pricing. So factor pricing consists of the 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. So the income of land, labor and capital can be rewarded as a income which can be termed in form of rent, wages, interest. So microeconomics is helpful to determine the factor pricing of the 3 factors of production. Second point, working of free market economy. Microeconomics is helpful for taking the decision regarding how much to produce, what to produce and how to produce. So these decisions are very important for economic production, economic point of view, for individual firms, private individuals and firms. Point number 3, international trade and public finance. माइक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स खाली प्राइस डिटर्मिनेशन और वर्किंग ऑफ मार्केट इकोनॉमी के लिए यूज़फुल नहीं है, उसके साथ इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड एंड पब्लिक फाइनेंस के भी यूज़फुल है. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड? ट्रेड within the country or outside the country. Trade outside the country is known as international trade. So in international trade there are different transactions of goods and services. Regarding the tariff transaction, determinants of exchange rate, microeconomics is helpful for gaining the international trades exchange rate system. Point number next, utilization of resources. Microeconomics is useful for producers in order to achieve maximum output at minimum cost. Optimum utilization of resources can be achieved with the help of micro theory of distribution. Point number next, model building. Microeconomics is also helpful in economic situation. There are various different economic situations. So microeconomics is helpful to make valuable contribution in field of science of economics by developing various terms, concepts, tools, etc. Next point, microeconomics is also helpful in taking business decision. All the important decisions regarding business, such as cost of production, prices of output, prices, cost of production, prices of the output to be included, consumer choice, market demand, supply, all are variables of economic. The businessman always has to take decision by including all the factors of these variables. So microeconomics is helpful for businessmen to consider all these factors and to take the business decision. Not only it is helpful to businessmen, it is also helpful to government. Microeconomics is helpful for government to attain the goal of efficient allocation of resources, and it promotes economic welfare. Government economic welfare means improvement in the well-being of the society. Microeconomics helps government to form various policies such as taxation policy, fiscal policy, which can be helpful for providing economic welfare of the society. Basis of welfare economic. Microeconomics promotes economy and welfare by social level. Social level means society's level. So microeconomics promotes economic and social welfare by making optimum utilization of resources. So optimum utilization of resources will be helpful to control the wastage of resources, and if wastage is reduced, automatically welfare will be achieved. So these overall are the points of microeconomics. Microeconomic is the base for macroeconomics variables. So these all points cover the importance of microeconomics in working of economy. So all these points are importance of microeconomics. Microeconomic is the entire economy in which is helpful for studying the welfare economics. Along with that, it is also helpful for taking the business decisions. So micro is consists of individualism in nature, and it includes slicing method, and it includes price theory or micro theory, which is a price theory. So it is a microscopic study of economy. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो आप इस वीडियो को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और ताकि मैं फर्दर वीडियोस अब अपलोड करूँ तो आपको उसको नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत मिल जाएगा. Till that time, work hard and subscribe my channel. It's time to study. Thank you.